I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier supports hiding caller ID because iPhone settings only work with compatible networks. Open Settings, tap Phone, and look for Show My Caller ID. Once located, toggle it off to request blocking for outgoing calls. If that toggle is missing, make one immediate test. Call a second phone. Alternatively, you can prepend *67 to a single number, dial *67, then the full number. But note this may not work on all carriers or emergency calls. Once you've toggled off Show My Caller ID or used *67, understand exceptions. Emergency numbers ignore blocking and business systems, or recipients with special apps may still see info. If your settings toggle is absent or unreliable, call your carrier and request an account-level anonymous call feature or permanent caller ID block. They can apply it on the network side so every outgoing call shows private. Make sure to test by calling a friend. If it still shows, escalate to carrier support and ask for provisioning confirmation. To finish, place a test call to confirm the recipient sees no caller ID or private number. If it still displays your number, restart your iPhone and retest because settings can require a network refresh. If problems persist, document a failed test time and contact your carrier. Provide timestamps and the dialed format like *67 plus number or toggle screenshots, because many issues are carrier provisioning related. Finally, remember privacy limits. Some services, emergency calls, and toll-free numbers will always reveal caller information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.